In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I make my spaghetti stir fry. So yeah, stay tuned. Make sure you do not miss any step and let me know if you're going to try this recipe at the end. Let's get right into the video. First up, the ingredients. I'll be using some spaghetti, of course. For the protein, some chicken breast, beef. And for the veggies, I have some carrots, some cabbage, yellow pepper, green pepper, green beans or runner beans. And now for the seasoning or spices or condiments, I have some soy sauce here, salt to taste, garlic and ginger powder, vegetable oil, I didn't pour it in the container, some honey. I've been falling in love with honey these days, I don't know why. And the last, but certainly not the least, this special ingredient right here, Aleeza Grills marinade. Yeah, if you don't have this, you can still follow the recipe. So yeah, let's get right into the cooking. So I'm going to bring my water to a boil, pour in my salt. My water is on the fire now for the pasta. While that boils, I want to marinate my chicken. So I'm just going to be using this marinade. Like while I'm shooting the video and cooking the pasta, I'll just season this, put it in the air fryer, and it will be doing its thing while I focus on this, right? And this marinade comes in two flavors. There's the sweet and spicy and the hot and spicy, and it is absolutely marvelous to use. I've been using this for like over 2 years actually since I came up with the recipe, and yeah, I just launched it last year. So if you're in Nigeria, Lagos, Ibadan, or anywhere else in Nigeria, actually, we can deliver to you anywhere you are. But like the main distributors for now are in Ibadan and Lagos. It is a lifesaver, right? Let's get back into the video now. I don't want to reset the camera, so I'm just going to raise my hand like this for you to see, right? So just leave that for about 10 minutes. Now put it in the air fryer. You can do longer. The longer it stays, the better, right? Let me wash my hand. So this is heating up now. I will add my vegetable oil here. Not too much. I think that's enough. And let that heat up a little, just a little. And then I'll go in with this. You can use just some salt and seasoning cube at this point if you like, if you don't have this. So I'm just going to let this fry up a little bit. It's kind of spicy, so I don't want to put too much. I will now go in with the chicken and the beef. Get in there, you. So let that cook really well. So I'll just keep stirring this to cook and fry up. I'm going to add a bit of my soy sauce here, just because I want the color to start settling into the protein. I want it to be like darkish, but not too dark. Yeah, just like this. This is optional. You don't have to add it at this point. You can add it at the end. And dark soy sauce doesn't really add taste like that. It's mainly the color and just the aroma. So yeah, that's going to be cooking away now. All right, so this is looking good now. I'm going to add my garlic and ginger now. So just pour in the spices there and stir. Now I'll go in with the onions. Okay. Just stir that in really well too. Let's let the onions separate as I mix. Just want like a slow cook process here. The water is already boiling. I turned down the heat a little bit. So I'll just throw my pasta in there. Then with my tongs, I'll just slightly separate them. Just like move it around a bit because my pot is a bit small. But it's not too small, it's fine. This is just about 220 grams of pasta. Yeah, so I just let it sink in like that. Just added salt, no vegetable oil in here. The water is enough for the pasta to dance around and just separate on its own, right? So I'll leave that way. I'm not going to cover it so that it doesn't spill. Or if you really just like to put your cover, you can just put it like halfway like that, right? Because of the starch and the whole boiling stuff. So I've added the carrots and the green beans. I'm so sorry. I did not press record when I poured it and I didn't notice. So I just added that in there and a little bit of the pasta water. All right, so I'll just let that cook a bit. I want to add some of my soy sauce again to this. Turn up the heat. All right, stir. So now I will add my yellow pepper, and then I'll add my green pepper as well and stir that into it together. All right, so just let that cook for like 10 seconds ish. Yeah, my pasta is ready now. It's been about 7 minutes, so I'll just strain this and then move back onto the stir fry. I'll now go in with the pasta. Whoa, oops, there was a splash. So I'll just stir this, just lift and shift like that. Oopsie, I knew I was going to lose one. So now I'm going to add some seasoning cube. This is just about 1 cube of seasoning. And then I'll pour some more of my pasta water there just to help it separate and for the seasoning cube to melt properly into it. And then I'll just stir. Okay. Let's now add the cabbage. And then I'll stir that into it as well. I'll also pour in the rest of my soy sauce, what's left of it. Okay, scrape that off. And then mix some of that honey, just a drizzle. Yep, that's enough. And just stir it into it, really. It's pretty much, it just adds that really nice sweet flavor to it. Since I don't have sweet chili sauce or anything like that, this is like my go-to stir fry recipe. Honey is always a killer in a good way. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'll just let it simmer a bit longer, just about 30 more seconds for everything to really cook through. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. The button is right here, and you only need to click it once forever. Like, that's just it, right? And it's absolutely free.
So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did and you're going to try it, please leave a comment to let me know. I really enjoy getting feedback from you. Let me know what recipe you would like me to try out next. I will be so happy to hear from you. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video.